I came all the way from England to the US for this. It was that great that I've travelled all this way. My name is Daniela Tilbrook and I've been following Heroic since 2021. So I've just done the Heroic Instructor Workshop Training, which was fantastic. It's been an intense couple of 3 days, but I want to go back to the UK and run workshops there. And it was just such a great, fun event as well. We've learned lots. I've done a lot of personal development, but Heroic is definitely hands down the best because it's so practical and it really does get you into action. I just loved the philosopher's notes, and then the coach program was offered. So I thought, oh, this is right up my street. So I ended up doing that program. Until that point, I was very much a librarian, kind of collecting information. I'd read lots and lots of self-development books, lots of self-help books. But the one thing that was missing from all of this was action. The coach program really helped me to get into action. It was that kind of action drives creativity. So it was a real game changer. It really got me actually doing things rather than kind of just reading about them. Brian did a talk this morning, a 101, which was brilliant. And this afternoon, we've been kind of going over our hero bars and creating affirmations. Often in life, you don't meet that many people that are into like personal development or self-development or trying to close that gap between, you know, who they're being and who they're capable of being. So straight away you're in a room of like-minded people and like you just make so many connections because everyone's on a similar journey. And the soul force in the room is just so high and there's just so many wonderful people from all around the world. And it kind of, it feels like you've kind of found your sort of squad of people, your tribe, and it's really fun as well. So we've been sort of split up into little groups of sort of 10 to 12 and we've been going through all the materials that we'd teach in an introductory workshop. All lots of tools that we would then take to our own workshops. I think you'll make lifelong friends, people that really kind of care about other people and really want you to achieve your best. It's just such a great community and fun and high vibe and just lots of energy. I came all the way from England to the US for this. It was that great that I've travelled all this way.